Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today we're making an earthquake cake. This cake takes a German chocolate box cake and a lot of other goodies. It's going to be a loaded cake and I think it is going to be a good cake. Okay folks, well, let's get started. What I'm going to do here, this isn't the cake, this is the filling. We're going to dollop the cake with this bunch of ingredients. So, I would use my other mixer, but it's got cake mix in it, so we're going to do this by hand. Alright, so now we want our melted butter. No, it's not all the way melted, but it is almost. Vanilla. And powdered sugar, but before I add the powdered sugar, I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. We want to mix this until it's smooth, and I think we are about there. Here's our mixture that we're going to use to dollop on the cake batter. All this coconut, this is a cup of coconut, down in the bottom of the pan, evenly. Then we'll take our pecans, our chopped pecans. Here's a cup of chopped pecans. Lay them down evenly. Now we're going to make our cake. So with our cake, we're going to use a German chocolate box cake, and we're going to make it like it says to on the back with these ingredients. Half a cup of oil, a cup of water, and 3 eggs. So we have our cake mix, our half a cup of oil, 3 eggs, and our cup of water. Our batter is ready, so we want to evenly distribute this over our pecans and coconut. Our chocolate chips. A cup of chocolate chips. So they're all going on here. This is a wonderfully loaded cake. Well, there you have it. This is our earthquake cake. Off to the oven we go. Would you look at that? We're definitely gonna have to cool this baby off because it looks just full. It's all chocolate though, from the chips and from the dollop. But other than that, it is done. So we're gonna let it cool off for a while and then we'll try it. Well, here's our earthquake cake. Now we're going to cut it and try a piece. I want to try where all of the goo stuff is, the gooey stuff. So I want this piece right here. We'll just try a little one. Oh, that looks really chocolatey. Okay, here's our cake. Well, it's definitely a rich cake. This is one loaded cake. Beautiful. Well, we did a successful cake. Thank you for stopping by. And I'm going to enjoy this. Have a good day. Bye-bye.